Hi, welcome back or welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn your iPad or iPad Pro into a second screen for your Mac. So here's what you do, okay? First of all, you go to your settings and then you go down to displays, okay? Then you simply add a display. In my case, this iPad is the display that I'm going to be adding, and it is honestly, it's right here. It's already working right now. You should see it working right away. This is just how it is right now. You can hit arrange and then you can arrange them accordingly. I already have a second display, so I guess that makes this a third display technically. So yeah, and then once I hit done, I have it right there. As you can see from my iPad, this works completely as a second screen. You're seeing a blank screen right now for my iPad, but then if I drag this over here, you'll see that I can drag it over no problem. I'm just dragging it over to a second screen. And it's pretty brilliantly. This is wireless as well, by the way. Now, a few things to do it wireless. You will need them to be on the same network, or I believe just signed into the same ID as well. Same Apple ID. I don't know if the same network is necessary or not, but you'll definitely need the same Apple ID to do so. So yeah, it's actually a really cool feature. As you see, everything is going through perfectly fine. It's literally just an extra display, which is quite brilliant, honestly. And then, you can hit disconnect if you want. We could mirror it if we wanted. And yeah, then after we are done, we just click on it and then we hit disconnect. And bada bing, bada boom, everything's back to normal. Your iPad is back to being the iPad it once was. And yeah. So, yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe to the channel and check out my other content. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.